always been vital and personalized for our brand, as this is the best part for running our business. It's a little fun as we get to pack all our orders. Today in this video, I'll show you all as to how we pack our orders. For the outer packaging, we use our personalized logo bag, which is trendy, stylish, and yet sturdy to protect our pieces inside very well. For the inside, we use a jewelry pouch that we highly recommend our pieces to be stored all the time. For that extra protection, we bubble wrap our pieces for it to reach our clients safely. Now, let me give you all a small tip. Our overall packaging is ready for gifting. How cool is that? So here comes a little description on how your orders are dispatched. Once we receive your order, it's packed and the edible formalities are filled, and voila, your trendy bag with your pieces are dispatched as simple and hygienic. Enjoy shopping.